Regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to support brain health. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the release of growth factors, and enhances neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. Aerobic exercises, such as walking, running, and swimming, have been shown to improve memory, executive function, and overall cognitive performance. Strength training and activities that require coordination and balance, like yoga and dancing, also offer significant brain benefits. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week to support optimal brain health. All by itself, brisk walking, even 4,000 steps per day, not necessarily needing 10,000 steps per day as previously touted, may be a good way to start to reduce your risk for early death. Walking 6,000 to 8,000 steps per day adds even more health benefits. For more quick tips and in-depth information, check out the links in the description below to claim your copies of our free guides and cheat sheets on topics like this one.